What's the meaning of borrowing? Borrowing. Borrowing.
Borrowing. Borrowing. Borrowing refers to the act of obtaining something from someone with the intention of returning it in the future. It typically involves the exchange of a specific item or resource, such as money, books, or tools, and is often based on trust and mutual understanding between the borrower and lender. The result of borrowing can vary depending on the circumstances, but generally speaking, it allows individuals or organizations to access resources that they might not have otherwise had access to, and can enable them to achieve their goals or complete necessary tasks more effectively. However, borrowing also entails certain risks, such as the possibility of default or the accrual of interest.